Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change movie language in Amazon Prime. So first you are going to launch the application and log into your account. After that we have two options to do this. The first option is to click on your profile icon as you can see in the center bottom, and then in the top right corner you will find the gear icon. You just choose that one, and then in the options you will see languages. You just click here, and then you will find streaming languages. You just click there, and here you can change it from auto to custom. So you just click here and you choose the language. So now for example, if I choose English, so any movie or any show by default will start with English. It doesn't matter the original language, but if I keep it auto, it will be based on the language, the original language of the movie. And if you don't want this method, you just can choose the movie or the thing that you want to watch. When you launch it, you can change the language there from English to, or from the original language to any language that you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.